Sometimes we think restaurant food is too difficult to make at home. I used to think the same, but this time I decided to challenge myself and try something completely new. I had never made hummus, pita bread, or falafel before. Honestly, I was not sure if it would turn out well. Step by step, I made homemade tahini, blended creamy hummus, watched the pita bread puff up beautifully on the pan, and finally fried the falafel until it turned perfectly golden and crispy. In that moment, I realized something. You don't have to be an expert to make delicious food. You just have to be willing to try. Sometimes the recipes that seems the hardest become our biggest surprise. So if you have been thinking about making this Middle Eastern meal at home, this is your sign to give it a try. I have shared the complete step-by-step recipes for the hummus, pita bread and falafel on my channel. Go watch them, try them at home and let me know which one becomes your favorite. Happy cooking!